Yo guys, what is up? So if you're watching this video, I want to inform you that this is the start of my journey in Funded Next Phase 2 Challenge, $6,000 Stellar account. And the date and time today is 4:59 AM, May 15, 2024. Maya-maya lang mare-receive natin yung Phase 2 account natin. So yon, dating gawin, dashboard tayo. Ayun guys, nakuha na natin yung Phase 2 account. Ito yung dashboard niya. So madali na lang tong Phase 2 kasi 5% na lang yung target ay no. $300 na lang siya, ayan. $300 na lang, then ganun pa din sa limit, walang binago. Ayan, permitted loss, minimum trading days. Ang plan ko dito sa first trade ko, pag maganda yung setup, magre-risk ako ng 2%, then 1:3 RR. Then pag natalo naman yon, ang gagawin ko is balik na sa 1%. Then 1 trade per day, ganun pa din. So, see you later guys! Yo guys, what is up? We're back. Napili kong i-trade na per ngayon is si gold. And yes, I'll share the insights. Alright, let's start. My insight for gold is at the 4-hour time frame, we are still at the premium level. So, if you measure this swing low up to this swing high, you can notice that we're still above 50%. That is why I said that we are on premium level. Then, considering this order block here, nakaka-mitigate lang ng price. Then, ayun, nakakita na ako ng confluence sa 15 minutes time frame. Ang gagawin ko na lang is iset siya na order limit. Kaya nga nung sabi ko, ang i-risk ko sa trade na to is 2% and I'll be targeting 1:3 RR so that I can pass this in one trade. Kung possible naman, di ba? Why not? We already have our liquidity sweep here. Then we have our breakup structure. And lastly, we have our fair value gap. Meron tayo lahat ng hinahanap natin sa entry criteria natin. So, we will take the trade. Ito yung actual trade na iti-take ko. So, 45 pips, no? 1:3, 45 times 3. Ganito na lang natin. Drag na lang natin. Hindi tayo mag-mat. Ayan guys, I'll set the order. See you later. Yo guys, update. Sell limit order is already activated and it is now running. So let's take a look kay Funded Next, I mean kay broker, no? And ayan yung actual trade natin, running, hindi ko ma-focus, running $19 profit. Yes guys, update ko na lang kayo kung magpi-play out ba yung trade natin and mapapasaba natin si Phase 2 with just one trades. Alright, see you later. Yon guys, nilalagay ko pala siya sa journal. Kalimutan ko pakita sa inyo. Ulitin ko na lang. Ayan, XAU, USD. Then, session natin is Asian, no? Asian. Then, notes natin. Ayun guys, tapusin ko lang. Then, pakita ko sa inyo after. Ayun guys, nilagay ko sa notes. Price is at H4 premium level and fair value gap. So, trade criteria appears at M15, which is yun nga yung nakita natin. Then, forecast, ayun lang yung mga link, no? Ganyan lang ako mag-journal. At forecast, then, nasa na yun? Yung entry natin. Ayan, entry, ayan. So, drawdown yung entry natin. Yo guys, update sa first trade natin. Unfortunately, we got stopped out. But yeah, it is fine kasi before naman natin i-take yung trade, we accepted the risk. And also, this is the importance of risk management. Mahalaga siya kasi yun nga, we are just trading probabilities. And yun guys, see you. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo yung chart. See you. Yo guys, ayan, ito yung nangyari kay gold. Ito yung chart niya. Ayan, looks like si gold is very bullish pa. And ayun nga, ayun o. Bullish pa siya guys. Turns out na bullish pa nga talaga siya. Then we got stopped out here with this big candle. But first, nag-profits tayo ng kakaunti. Then yun, lumabas na tong big candle na to na nakapag-stop out sa atin, which is yung ito. And also guys, na-journal ko na rin siya. You can take a look at it here. Ito yung post notes, no? Got stop out, but it is fine since I have followed my rules. Yan guys, na-follow naman natin yung rules and accepted naman natin yung risk before taking the trade. So one thing you can learn here is losing is always part of a game. Right? But you can't avoid any losses. Kahit anong talo yan, di mo maiiwasan. Kahit sang laro yan, kahit sang industriya yan, may talo at may talo. Pero ang may iwasan natin dito is yun. Pag meron tayong proper risk management, ay iwasan natin yung napakalaking talo, di ba? Ay naman yung mahalaga. Risk management, and most important guys, don't let your emotions interrupt with your decisions, because emotions is one thing na sumisira ng trading career natin or trading journey natin. When we have emotions, we can overtrade. It can give us FOMO. Also, it can give us fear. It can give us greed. So, yan yung mga dapat nating iwasan. And yun lang sa video na to. See you sa next trade natin. Ipapanalo natin yun. Hopefully. Yan guys. Bye.